IKEA VILJESTARK Vase. I just got into the hobby of keeping flowers, so I needed a flower vase. So I looked for it in an online store until I found this flower vase at IKEA. I'm so happy because I can buy it at such a low price, and I think the unique shape makes the vase beautiful both with and without flowers. The price of this vase is just $1.29. I love this vase so much that I ended up purchasing a total of 3. Although I own several vases in various sizes, I always end up using this vase. It is great for a single bloom as well as several blooms. The size and shape are perfect, and so is the price. It's perfect for what I needed it for and very inexpensive.